Hello, I'm Jeremy Smith, Marketing Manager at LEA Professional here at Infocomm 2026. We're a 7-year-old audio technology brand. Our flagship product is our Connect Series Power Amplifiers. So these come in Network Connect and Dante Connect options, 3 ways to connect, 96 kHz DSP, speaker tuning, smart power bridge technology, everything you need in an amplifier we have. We just launched our 2-channel half-rack models, so all of our technology and features in a smaller form factor, specifically residential, small commercial applications.
What is possible to see here in the back?
Well, here it's just about the flexibility of our product. So we have different channel counts, input, output connectors. Again, audio over AP with Dante. Our biggest differentiators are intelligent IT solutions, best-in-class DSP, and smart power management. We're not a commodity brand. We focus on technology.
So how is it to do a great DSP? What is a tech that's needed?
Well, I mean, for us, our best-in-class digital signal processing, we are 96 kilohertz only. So industry standard is 48. So for us, you will get pristine audio every time you use LEA.
What do we see here?
This is the Connect Series 3004. So this is our largest powered supply, 3,000 watts per 4 channels. This would be used for large installations, stadiums, large performance spaces.
What do we see on the screen?
Software is one of our specialties. So this is Web UI, Sharkware, and LEA Cloud, where you can manage all of your applications in a digital cloud environment. So if you have several installations across many geographically dispersed areas, you can manage all those with our software solutions.
So it's possible to kind of like calculate the sound quality all over the stadium?
Absolutely. You can monitor levels, look for potential issues, everything you need in our software.
Is there like a microphones around that kind of like detects?
Nope, no microphones detection needed. Again, all of our software is built in and then accessible through the cloud and the internet.
And this one?
Again, this is our half-rack channel, so that's four channels and 2 channels. Again, power points of 30, 60, and 120, perfect for smaller installations.
So what does LEA stand for?
Loud enough audio.
All right.
Imagine every pixel, every sound, enabled through HDMI technology. From the highest resolutions, the fastest refresh rates, to immersive multi-channel audio, HDMI technology powers a worldwide ecosystem of devices for movies, for gaming, for creators. Experience clarity, performance, connection. HDMI technology. Connect the future today.